Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our 78 Dodge Macho truck. 440 in it. There you can see the gauges coming up, quarter, half on heat, oil gauge coming up. Them old Mopar ones are a lot of kind of slow sometimes. There's your stereo. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Horn does not work. Kicked on the air there. There's your wipers. Fan works. Dome light works. There's your lights. So a father and son did the restoration up in North Dakota. They had the frame off and everything, so nice truck. Looks like everything works except for the horn. Any questions? 605-695-7391.